Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I present you the elusive MZ RH1. After many months of waiting and scouring the internet for this unit, somebody finally posted it for quite reasonable. I'm not going to really say it too much because I know these things go for an arm and a leg, but let's just say I got a pretty sweet deal on it. This recorder is capable of playing uncompressed CD quality music, linear PCM or WAV, directly onto minidisc format, essentially. Well, formatted high MD minidisc. This unit here that just came in supposedly comes with all these accessories except for the power. Check out a little bit of the detail on the graphics. Admiring the box a little bit more. Time to open it. Got all the manuals, got the software. So this is the software that I'm probably never going to use. Here's the manual. Still in pretty good condition. Some more tips and instructions. How to connect to your computer. And now the unit. This thing is sweet, man. First impressions, this thing was slim and slick. Definitely a cool piece of tech. Look at this front panel and the back. You don't really see this anymore. Surprisingly, this is not as small as you think. It's pretty big, actually. Check out more stuff inside. Take out this pouch. Oh, looks like there's some things in here. I'm assuming it's the other accessories. Yep. The remote still has a sticker on it. That's cool. These earphones I'm never going to use. Very cool. An unopened IMD disc. And the battery with its case. Just try to organize a little bit. Yeah, look at this battery. This thing goes up to like 50 bucks, 70 bucks. Time to check out this IMD disc. Wow. I'm not gonna open this yet. I'm gonna savor it for sure. Looks like we got a couple of these. Therefore accelerating electrons while transferring data through the cable, essentially. And time to check out the player / recorder. Sony's last flagship model for the Minidisc series. Here, I'm testing it out, charging it. That's it, guys. Thanks for hanging out.